Now that we're waiting for the cream mixture to cool down, what you want to do is boil some water. So now that we have our cream mixture ready mixed in with our eggs and sugar, what you want to do now is get your cake pan and your ramekins, and what you want to do is add the boiling water into the pan. So we're going to take out one of the ramekins and we're going to pour in the hot water just about halfway. So it's right about halfway when you add the second cup, or the last fourth cup. And what you want to do, while we do the water first, is that you don't want to get the water in the cream mixture. And then we're going to go ahead and just spoon in some of the cream mixture into each ramekins. Now we're going to get our sugar cream mixture and egg yolk mixture together, and we're going to go ahead and ladle into the ramekins. And you want to be able just to reach to the point of, I guess, just a little edge curvature into the ramekins. Just a little over is okay, but not too much. You don't want to put too much.